Hello guys, I'm Mohit Chadak and today I'm going to talk about ITC Q2 results expectations, and in this video we will also talk about is it good time to invest in ITC or not. So let's talk about Q2 results first. We are expecting ITC to report a net profit at Rs 3,400 to 3,500 crore. If we talk about variation, it may vary from 15% to 15.7% on year basis. On quarter basis, it may vary from 45.5% to 46%, which looks very good to me. If we talk about net sales may fall by 2.0% to 2.5%, which is very good. If we talk about quarter, net sales may jump by 22.3% to 23.2%. Let's talk about EBITDA now. In earnings before interest, tax, depreciation and amortization, it may fall by 9.8% to 10.3%, which is very good for me. If you are a shareholder of ITC, then you must look at this. You can visit our website. Our website are myfundamental.in. So don't forget to visit our website. So let's talk about is it a good time to invest in ITC or not. IT is one of the India's foremost private sector companies and a diversified conglomerate with a business spanning fast moving consumer goods, hotels, paperboard and packaging, agri business and information technology. This is the business of ITC. Believe me, this is the company, and I know you know about company, but this is the company and potential of the company looks very bright in upcoming futures. ITC had sales of 76,097.31 crore as on 31 March 2020 with a net profit of 15,136.05 crore. If everything is good in ITC, then why this stock show underperformance? Everyone in stock market talk about this, raises questions, why this stock shows underperformance. And I know this is a valid question, but you must hold this stock for long term. Look at the underperformance of the ITC in 5 past years. 25.25% fall. This is huge. I know this is not that huge, but in terms of quality stocks, this looks very big fall to me. But this doesn't mean that we can't hold this stock. So let's talk about why ITC under. This stock mainly earn from cigarette business. Most of the profit comes from cigarette business, and everyone knows that the threat on taxes is huge in cigarette business, and this is the main problem that we face in ITC. ITC spend too much on other business and generate very little from them. This is the second main reason that I observe in ITC. So third main reason for me is no promoter holding. Actually this is not a real reason, but people talk about this, that company must come with the buyback. Comment down if you think about this. Now let's talk about is it good time or not. Let's start with the market capitalization. Market cap of ITC is around 2,10,108 crore, which is huge. A large cap company trading at very cheap price. I think you must hold this stock at current market price. Stock P tremendous. I think you must hold this stock. P of 14.58, which is very good. You can compare this stock to this peer groups. I mean to say, you can compare to HUL, Dover, Nestle, Britannia, underperformer stock of Indian stock market. ROE 25.05%, which looks very very good to me. Debt to equity ratio 0. No debt on the company, debt free company. What do you want, guys? This is the stock that you must hold for the long term. Dividend yield of ITC is 5.94%, which is very very good for dividend lovers. Sales growth, definitely a disappointment of maybe a disappointment for you that ITC shown a growth of 1.39%, but don't worry, ITC has huge potential and will show you in the future. So let's talk about the products. If we buy a stock, you are the company's promoter according to me. So let's talk about ITC Protect. Number one in cigarette business, number one in Atta brand, number one in snack food, number one in cream biscuit, number one in notebooks, number two in noodles, number two in deodorants, and number one in women segment, number two in agarbattis, and number one in dupe segment. Look at the performance of ITC. What do you want, guys? In stock market it happens sometimes. Don't worry, just look at the company. Rapid growth potential. ITC sees a potential growth of 4x in atta noodles, while 5x growth in spices and floor cleaner, 8x growth in hand wash and body wash segment. ITC has a chance to grow its business further. ITC in upcoming years have potential to surpass HUL and Nestle, or even can perform better than them. So guys, I don't think so that this is not a stock for long term. I think you must hold this stock, and I think this is the stock for 10 years. If you don't hold this stock for 10 years, then definitely you are going to regret yourself that I didn't bought this share in 2020. This is the stock that you must hold. Comment down if you don't agree with me. If you like our video, share, subscribe and share. Thank you.